So what did you just say about the lady who said with your hair?
She was like, oh, your hair looks so healthy and nice. And I said, for real? But this ain't my hair. And she said, it ain't. I said, no, some of my hair left out at the top. And she said, really? I said, yeah. She said, girl, I wouldn't tell nobody. I said, but why? I don't care. I'm the truth. I keep it real because I just do. You know, I don't care about that kind of stuff. But she the fourth person that told me this looked like my real hair. It looked like my real hair. And, but it's cool, though. She was like, is that, Remy? I said, girl, no, this Outre. That's all I use is Outre.
Oh my God.
She was like, that's good. It look good. I said, yeah, but my cousin on the phone, because Constance was on the phone. I said, she buy all that expensive hair. She was like, I do too. I said, I'd rather wear it on my ass. I said, because see, I can't spend that much money on no hair, because I'd rather wear it on my ass. Wow. Shit, you know what I can do?
Oh my God, you're so crazy.
You know what I can do with a pack of Outre? That's some shoes and an outfit almost. Almost. That's at least an outfit or one pair of shoes. I'm crazy. Ain't no way. Not me.
Oh my God.
Not the truth.
Ain't this our night every night, Ma?
This is our night every night. We have fun in this house, honey. We really do. We're a lively family and we keep it going. We love each other. Mm-hmm. We sure do. Yeah. And my baby about to take over the world. Ain't that right, Pinky?
Mm-hmm. Is that my name now?
No, that's not your name.
I'm like,
Anyway, click.
Okay. Say bye to my mom. Bye, guys. See you guys later.
The truth.